Hello guys, Nandi here, welcome to my channel. So today we have something special. We have the unboxing of world banknotes, of course. But today this not little beauty, a big beauty is mine. I have bought this from eBay. It's the coin collecting for the famous series for dummies. It's a very thick book. You will learn so much from this book. I had this book from the PDF version, but it's another thing to have this in the original book in your hands. So guys, I'm not sponsored by them, by the way. I just love this book already, and if you want to learn more about world coins or coin collecting, whatever coin collecting you might have ideas or ways of collecting, this is the perfect book for my opinion. You have table of contents, everything, understanding numismatics. I thought my camera is again. I don't know why this happened. I might need a new smartphone maybe. Yes. So I was saying, I thought I knew numismatics, but this book me wrong. So that's all about the book. Let's begin opening. I, I apologize for the camera. Literally, I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's from the day today, but it's not good. So I paused the video for a little while, so I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't freeze again. I wanted to say, guys, that I apologize for the last Sunday because my latest video was unboxing from the same seller, from eBay, from this seller, and my video got how did I say? My video got damaged, so I didn't upload this Saturday or Sunday, because I upload either Saturday or Sundays on the weekends. So I really feel sorry, because it was a good video, a lengthy video, but a good video with some beautiful banknotes. So let's not overdo this and let's open this beauty. This is a seller that I buy every week now. I buy some lots from World Banknotes. Those are damaged banknotes. Some of them, if they are in good conditions, I might keep them for my own collection. For about $6-7 shipping including, I think this is a good purchase. Let me know what do you think, guys. So let's begin. This is the Cypriot. This is the 50 cent. I collect Cypriot banknotes, so I don't know. These banknotes are really very damaged. I will mix these banknotes with other banknotes who are in a much better condition, and you will be surprised that people buy these banknotes, me including. It's a bargain. The second one was the 2 pesos from Argentina, damaged. This is a more in a more good condition. Cypriot £1 or 1 lira. This is going to my collection. The very old and damaged 500,000 Turkish lira. The Greek 100 drachma, the pre-euro drachma. And we have 20 francs from Belgium, pre-euro. We have the Italian 5,000 lira. Next one is another Italian, much older, because this is pre-euro and this is before this. The 5,000 lira, very damaged. This is Scotch tape. And this is another Argentinian banknote, the 5,000 Australes. It's damaged. I don't think I have this banknote, but in this condition, I don't know. Because if I don't have a banknote in my modest world banknote collection, I just keep one, and if in the next world banknotes that I might win from eBay, if is another same banknote in better condition, I will replace this. But I don't know this. I don't know. Maybe I will keep. I will keep for my collection because overall I like the design. This is how I made my world collection of banknotes. I don't buy everything uncirculated. Another Argentinian, 1000 Australes. This is a much better condition, but missing this part here. I will keep this banknote because I don't have this banknote. I think this is from the same series. Maybe. A Portuguese, 100 escudos. Very beautiful design, but very, very used. Goes back to eBay. Another Italian, 1000 lira from the 70s. And this was the banknote that I like from this lot, the Singapore $5. As you see, is a little bit damaged, but I will keep because this was the banknote I wanted for my collection from this lot. So this goes to my collection because I don't have this banknote. Another Italian, 10,000 lira. Beautiful design. And another one, 1000 lira. We have a Turkish 100 lirassi or lira. We have a very old and very used Indonesian 100 rupiah. This goes back. This is a very, very used and damaged Malawi 20 kwacha. Goes back. Another Malawi 50 kwacha. This is more modern, more recent, but very damaged and very used. Goes back. 100 pesos Argentinos from Argentine. Very old banknote, very old series from the 70s. Another Turkish, 100,000. Old Turkish lira. We have here 100 dinars from Yugoslavia. This is from 1978, in a very bad condition. And speaking of a bad condition, 50 escudos from Portugal. 50 zloty from Poland, the old Polish zloty. Another Italian, 1000 lira from the 80s. We have here a Brazilian, 10,000 cruzeiros. And badly scotched 10 pesos from Mexico. It's a really neat design. I have all these banknotes in a very good condition on my collection. We have here, this banknote is Venezuelan, Mexican 20 pesos, is in a much better condition than the previous, so, well, speaking without seeing the back of the banknote, but overall is in a better condition on this. Not go to my South American banknotes for sale, so goes to eBay either way. 1 million lira from Turkey, the old Turkish currency. And the last one is the 200 drachmas from Greece, the pre-euro. And the last one, the first and the last 200 drachma pre-euro. So guys, this was the today video. These are the banknotes I will keep for my collection, the better ones, slightly better ones. But I like their design, so in the next time, if I find a better $5 from Singapore, I will replace these very damaged banknotes. And the others goes back to eBay, mix it with other in better condition banknotes. This is my way reselling banknotes and keeping some for my personal collection. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please write them below. If you are a new person watching this video, please consider subscribing. I do every week eBay unboxings, banknotes, coins, world coins. So again, thank you very much for watching till now, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.